guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are playing Islands, and I'm here with my best friend, Val.
Hi.
And
this is not my usual avatar right now because this is my computer avatar.
yeah, since he has been seen on my channel like once.
Yeah.
But this time he's being seen on my channel with his voice.
This is the first time being on his channel with his voice.
With my voice. Yeah, hopefully soon he'll get Roblox on his phone so we could record.
What do you want, Russell? Get out.
What was that?
Sorry, someone walked into my room without knocking.
Who was it?
But anyways, Jack, continue.
Okay, so I digged a little bit. I don't even know if that word is something. I digged over here a little bit. Val, what are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just going into the holes.
Yeah, we both have our video on, but you guys can't see it.
I'm trying to go down in this two-way hole.
What?
Let me in.
Let me dig more. Oh, I'm in it.
Oh, no, you got in, but I didn't. No.
Oh my god, I almost fell off. Did you see that? Okay, Val, let's go to your island. Oh my, I went in even more.
What just happened?
Val, you go to your island. You made it in. Okay, Val, go to your island and
Hello.
go to your island. Go to your island, and then we could we could show them your island.
Okay.
This thing over here.
Right now.
Also, that thing over there looks like a nether portal, right? Okay, I'm gonna visit you.
The nether portal teleports you to the hub where you get to see other people.
Okay, visit friend. I'm visiting you right now.
Okay. Hi, new best friend. Yeah, my other best friend. You were so cute.
Okay, you could invite me to your island because it's not letting me join.
Okay, hold on. Invite.
Okay.
There.
Okay, now visit. Okay, here we go. I'm joining. Hi!
Do you like my other cow best friend?
Yes, I do.
He's so adorable.
That sounds so much like his name looks and sounds so much like a swear word. He just fell off. He just fell off.
I forgot, Jack, come here.
What?
Come here. Go in here.
Oh.
Yeah, I was digging it in stone.
Did you find a way to get permission?
I'm gonna get more grass. Hold on.
Okay. So you can build a bigger bridge like I did?
Yeah. Yes. But I'm only gonna go get 2 pieces.
Okay. Oh!
I might add some safety railings, so hold on. I'm gonna get some
Me and Val are actually in the same class. We just graduated from elementary.
Yes, and I was very
Sad
when we left.
Yeah, I was too. But at least me and Val can still communicate with each other.
I didn't want to leave because I love school so much.
Yeah. But at least I have Val on my...
we both have Snapchat. We both can call each other.
Yeah, and that's the way we could talk. So hopefully our other friend, Rose, can do that too.
Hold on, Jack. Don't go across yet. I'm adding safety railings.
Okay, Val, go.
Don't worry.
I saw that.
Come on.
Why is the Volgo on?
There, safety.
Supposed to have. Ah! Did you feel it on both sides?
On the safety railing.
What?
I'm still working on them.
Okay, hope they don't fall off. What is Folko doing
I'm
on
still
there?
working on the safety railings.
What is this guy named Folko
the
doing on
bridge,
there? What's he?
Huh?
What's his name?
He gives you stuff for your island.
Your island looks
I don't know when you come to
fantastic.
your island, you just
I brought a handful of blue roses to
came
decorate with.
randomly.
You.
Yeah,
Not
you
enough
brought
coins.
blue
Aw.
flowers to decorate my island with.
Oh yeah, I have some too.
Oh, no, that was not supposed to go there. I'll fix it later. Yeah.
What's
Okay,
what's
now I
this
need this
Folko guy doing here?
I have no clue.
What's
He's
this?
just standing on the same.
Isn't it weird how they made this look
And
so
also, I
similar
don't
to
want my
another
little-
portal? What?
I don't want my little second best friend to fall off the island too, Mr. Cow. And at least he has a way to get over now, Mr. Cow. Jack, do you like my trees?
Yeah, I do. Oh, aren't you growing some stuff?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hold on, I'm gonna plant some more trees.
Okay.
Where do you think I should plant this apple tree?
I think right on this little hill right here.
Right here?
Right here. Right there. Can't wait for it to grow.
Right there.
Can't wait for it to grow, right?
Wait. How do you get coins in this game? I remember playing this game before. I forgot how to get coins.
On his old
Oh,
account, he
you
played
gotta sell stuff.
his old account
You gotta sell stuff.
Oh, you sold all your.
That's how you get coins. I remember now. Now,
He had his old. He had another account. I remember his. He had two accounts. He got He got logged out of both. He got logged out of both of them.
Iron back that I gave you?
What?
Please? Can I have that iron back that I gave you so I can sell it and get coins?
Okay. So how do I drop it?
Oh no, wait, never mind. You can keep it. I have to furnace it. I forgot. I'm
Folko.
just gonna go sell
Hi,
the
Folko.
I will be right back.
Ah, no! Don't go! I'm coming with you.
Let's go to the hub.
Oh. Then it just lagged and like.
The hub.
What?
We're flying to the hub.
Where are you?
I just have to remember where to sell.
Val, hey! You can't kill in this game, right?
There you are.
You can't kill in this
Okay.
game, right?
Jack, this is the hub. Very big place.
You can't kill in this game, right?
No, you cannot kill. This is a very
Friendly.
safe and good game. No murder. Okay,
Thank
so,
goodness. I'll be sitting here waiting for you. Wait, I can hear that. I heard that on.
Yeah, I got 49 coins. I'm
My
gonna get some more seeds.
My sound isn't on.
You shop. Ooh, there's a pine tree, but they don't have enough.
Aww.
Pine trees cost so much. Oh man, I still have to plant some more wheat and get more money.
Let's go back to your island.
Back to my island, and I'll invite you. Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna go back to my island. So if you walk through that portal, you go back to your island.
Yeah. Or you can just press the home button. It's either one.
I decided to just flying to my island.
Flying to my island too.
Oh, my cow! I have a cow!
Wait, what happened?
I have a cow!
What happened?
I have a cow. Okay, I'm gonna come back to your island.
Yeah. I invited you, by the way. Jack, every time when you first start the game, you always get a little friend on your island.
Yeah, like
And that
Folko.
little friend is a cow.
He's your other best friend, right?
Derailing.
I just slammed my mic. Also, Val, remember when we played Bloxburg? When you recorded, but I wasn't recording? you recorded, but I wasn't recording. So they didn't get to see it from my view. The only,
Yeah.
but today,
Okay, I'm
but
gonna continue planting.
some more. We should go get some of those. Come on. I'm gonna go get more. Come on with me.
Jack, they're at your island.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna fly home real quick, but invite me back once I'm done. I'll tell you when I'm done.
Okay. Oh, I got letters. I got letters.
You got letters? Let me see. Oh,
I got
I'm
letters.
flying back to my island.
Add rabbits. Added rabbits. Rabbits will naturally spawn on your island during rainy days. In the winter,
I'm going through this nether.
Oh,
Oh!
it's snowing. Use a net to catch rabbits and move them around. And chop
I'm selling all my weed.
one
Yay! Let's go.
chops. Add don't to talk to him to sell crops in link link.
Guess who's back, Val?
Mailbox, a new game. Oh, you back?
Yep.
I'm just reading the letters that I got in the mail.
Okay.
There's a new game.
There is?
There's a new game.
Hold on, I'm gonna go back to you.
Oh, the new game is the Bed Wars.
You can press
You can
press visit friend to teleport back to
Yeah,
my.
you can press it.
Yeah, you can press visit friend. So I'm gonna see if I got any mail.
Yeah, you didn't. I didn't know that. Either.
Yeah, you don't need to invite me. I could just teleport there myself.
Tell me if you did.
Okay, I'll be back. But
Tell me if you did, okay?
you don't need to invite me because I could just press visit friend. I got 2 new letters. Let's see what I got.
Oh, you got
Rabbits and crop crates.
Jack,
Mailbox
I'm
and
gonna
new
send you mail.
game. Mailbox and new game. Okay.
I'm sending you mail.
Bed Wars go back.
Send the mail to. Not. I am.
Very sneaky. No, I say cut it.
Nothing to. What's up? Subject.
Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I have to go. So I'll see you in a future video. Bye.